Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AKG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Not only was today a very nice move from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support and resistance for going forward. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above 95 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 95, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that, down here at 88 cents. So in the nearer term, 95 cents, 88 cents, those two couple levels of support. Taking a step back, though, and looking at things from a big picture perspective. So this definitely assumes you have a broader time horizon, but that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very easy yet highly effective way to gauge the strength of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above the purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health. The price action's at full strength. However you can best visualize that, that is what that's representing. Again, yeah, if the price could stay above 95 cents, that would be great. But from the big picture of things, the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about areas of resistance? For this, going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit and go back into the chart's history. I realize it's getting harder to see, but this is always a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into a chart's history. So next key overall area right up there at, what is that, about $1.04. If you want to round up to $1.05, that would work too. But this is coming from way back here. And when was that? Back here in February. So been a while since the price has been up this high. But the last time it was, that's kind of where the party stopped. So $1.04, $1.05, definitely public enemy number one going into next week. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice move today. And we'll see if the bulls can build upon this upwards price movement or not next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.